So, dahil may moment tayo, ngayon na tayo lang, I guess this is time to Dear Diary. Charot. Baka mal. Ito na. Welcome to my mansion, guys. This is my pool over here. And here's my pool. Tapos, ito ang aking garden. So, this is a typical morning for me. And,
Ano yan?
mga bridesmaids.
Dito yan.
Nasa Airbnb, nagsisteam ng mga damit.
Ano si Joe?
Anong gagawin ko?
Wala. Ano ka lang? Yeah. Ano ginagawa mo?
Ikaw.
Ikaw.
Mag-isa ka lang.
Actually, very chill lang. Si Angelica kasi is sobrang hands-on niya din sa wedding. So yung in-expect kong stress, hindi siya as much, siguro ng last week lang, pero iniisip niya din, kinoconsider niya yung entourage niya na busy din, ganyan. So, super chill.
To ikang. Ang hirap i-describe ng mga pangyayari. Ang bilis. Parang kailan lang. Araw-araw tayong magkasama sa office. Hanggang sa once a month na lang tayo nagkikita.
Growing up, na-realize ko na si Kuya Jet ay isang man of few words. Fewest words.
Gano'n na kayo katagal niya?
Si 6 years.
Ready ka na?
Ready.
Ready.
Pwedeng hindi.
Pwede. Kaya ako isang makulit na walking. 1, 2, 3, go!
So, laking gulat ko, nung pinakilala na ni Kuya si Ate Angelica, nagawa niya yung imposible. Napapagsalita niya si Kuya ng full sentences. Full sentences. Hindi namin kaya yon. Meron siyang superpower na wala kami. Nasa kanya yung privilege. Talo kami. Tanggap na namin yun.
Dumaan ang pandemic. Punta ka sa ibang bansa para i-pursue mo yung goals mo.
Parang talirad.
Ito yung times na sobrang hirap. Nasa malayo ka. Pero lagi kong nire-remind sarili ko na pagsubok lang ito. Malalagpasan natin to. Magkikita tayo muli.
Mukha ko, no? Pati hindi ka maka-oo. Sabi ganyan, sir, mukha nyo.
I feel, syempre, very excited for her kasi this is her big day.
Iyak ako, joke lang.
Dati, ganito lang yung itsura namin. When we were still kids.
You are fierce. Tinapan yung mukha. Fierce.
Ngayon, kakasal na siya. Kakasal na tong makulit na babaeng to. Sa isang tahimik na lalaki.
Any wish for your sister?
Wish.
Good luck.
Mod ba to?
Titikman ata eh.
Di ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung putik or...
Naks. Bride na bride na.
Susunod sa asawa. Magpakabait sa asawa. Ako mabait eh.
Ay, may makeup ako.
I love you, anak. Ako, naiyak na rin anak ko. Hello, kumusta ka? Hindi ko alam kung gaano kahaba dapat ito. Haha. May draft na ako before pero hindi ko na na-copy. I want first to thank God that He blessed me with a very sincere friend. When Papa died, I felt like God made sure I was never alone. I never felt alone. I then thank you for all your patience and love that never wavered.
Excited na kami mag-socialize, you know, to meet new people, meet our new friends then, chit-chat lang, ganon. Okay.
Wala pa naman ako doon. Sisigawan nila, wala naman. Sarap! Totoo ba yun? Salamat. Salamat. Joshua Antenor. Bombo. Melissa C. Thank you, Melissa. Kayo? Wow, makeup yan. Ay, oo. Playable. Tapos, improvise pa kita. So, I can promise you na hindi tayo nag-aaway. Walang hardships, walang doubts. I can promise you that I will keep on trying my best. And I will always go back to the reason why we got together. And it's not because of the happy moments. It's because of us getting through the difficult moments.
Ay, Zion, nga pala. High school friend ni Erwin.
Ako si Adrian, Baido tawag nila sa akin. High school friend din ni Erwin.
Ako si Choi, high school friend din ni Erwin. First year high school.
Marvin, high school friend.
Nabasa yung iPhone.
Ay, well, super happy kami kasi pangatlong kasal na to in, I think, in 2 years? In 2 years?
Pangatlo na, pre.
Naka-script na! May isa... Renz! Iwan ka lang daw. Hindi, super happy kami kasi pangatlong kakasal na to in 2 years, no? Guys.
Kaso nakakapagod na,
Pahinga naman?
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa Immaculate Heart of Mary Paris. Upang masaksihan lamang ang pag-isang dibdib nila John, Erwin at ni Angelica Luis.
Kamusta?
Medyo, naluluhan na.
Pogi pala ng groom mo.
Ay talaga, hindi ko siya nakikita eh. Arranged marriage ko. So, okay naman, parang hindi totoo. Parang Nanonood lang ako ng from outside. Parang hindi ako yung kakasal. Nakakatawa ang daming tao. As an introvert,
So eto na, new chapter ng buhay natin. And excited na ako sa mga adventures na tatahakin natin. Kung ano man yan, I will hold your hand with a smile. I love you and congratulations to us,
Yay.
Irvin.
At mamaya, maririnig natin ang pagpapalitan ng mga sagot ng dalawang ito. And we expect na pareho ang sagot ninyo. Angelica Luis, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si John Irvin na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Ikaw naman, John Irvin, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Angelica Luis na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga lituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Paano namin nalaman naging sila na? April 6, 2019.
May proof.
Kami sa kanya namin nalaman. Ang aming
Magka-holding hands sila sa
broadcaster.
ilalim ng table sa Yellow Cab.
So, wish ko lang sana may nagregalo. It's a must.
Ano?
Baka naman may nagbigay ng isang kahong robas.
Ang special trivia,
Yes.
sila ang gumawa ng mini dolls na yan.
Yes, made out of
Clay.
Oh.
Ano yung thought process while you were making those dolls?
Naghahanap kami ng cake toppers, tapos parang, walang kamukha natin, so gawa na lang tayo.
Irvin, ano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon knowing na ikaw mismo ang gumawa ng dolls na yan?
Masaya ako kasi umiikot yung ulo nito eh.
Ay, oh, di ba? Yes, di ba? Oh, biruin mo.
Meron din palang clay dito ng dalawang cats na ginawa naman ng ate ko. Kasi wala lang siyang magawa.
Congrats.
And I will always pray for you. Also, put God in the center of our relationships. And put God first so that I can love and care for me better and also for myself. And together we can care for other people. Together. I am here, thanks. welcome everyone to our wedding program, wedding reception program with our first song. There were bells on the hill, but I never heard them ringing. No, I never heard them at all till there was you. There were birds in the sky, but I never saw them winging. No, I never saw them at all till there was you. Then there was music and wonderful roses. They tell me in sweet, fragrant meadows of dawn and dew. There was love all around, but I never heard it singing. No, I never heard it at all till there was you.
Wife, you may now kiss your wife. Palakpakan po natin. Congratulations again, Mrs. and Mrs. John Irvin and Angelica Davis.